Right folks, what we got on the truck today? Sizes grass slitter, bit light duty, but it's got a nice dinky little end on. So I thought I'd have this to have a few, there we go, a few passes up and down the field, loosen it up a bit, because it's got roller on to squeeze it all back down, but it's a bit seized up. It's a bit of free and off, look, and roller and all. So that's a little job I've got to do. Old muck fork off a 35 or something like that, Massey. She's old, but she's fairly solid, and that'll be having that chopped off and a top hat put on so it fits on a backhoe. So like a bit of bucking out with backhoe, or ragging through brambles and what have you, just generally cleaning up sort of a thing. And that's that. And then a cab. Think I was told it were off a Nuffield or a Leyland. Maybe. Anybody knows what it's off? I haven't found a maker's name on it as yet. Here's the doors. Here's off them out. Hold on. That's the doors. Look a bit Heath Robinson, tell you the truth. Look, got our store handle on there. So I'll try and look for a maker's name on it. But it's been converted to fit on a what does it say? A 35 or a 135. So we'll see. It might go on my little 20, my little 20F. Oh wait, there's a maker's name on there, look. Jesus, this video is going a bit rambling, isn't it? Right, take a look at this. That's it there, look. Can't see, hold on. Right, there's the handmade sort of mudguard mounts, look, axle mounts, hooked at mudguard, so look at how rounded it is, must be off a 35. Well, meant to fit a 35. Right. Have a look. Scotland, so is it a Duncan cab? Anyway, that's today's little bit of nonsense.